Legal iResearch tools versus junior associates. Which one is better for rapid legal analysis? Most people assume that junior associates are the fastest option for legal research, but the surprising truth is that AI-powered research tools can dramatically accelerate the process without sacrificing accuracy. Legal iResearch tools use advanced algorithms to sift through vast databases of case law, statutes, and regulatory guidance in seconds. They can identify relevant precedents, summarize complex rulings, and even suggest strategic arguments. For example, a corporate lawyer preparing for a securities compliance review can use AI to instantly pinpoint relevant cases across multiple jurisdictions, something a junior associate might take hours or even days to compile. Junior associates, on the other hand, provide human judgment, nuanced interpretation, and contextual understanding. They can spot subtleties in case law that I might overlook, evaluate credibility, and draft tailored memos for clients. However, their research is inherently slower and often requires supervision from senior lawyers, which can add time and cost. The key difference is speed versus contextual insight. AI excels at high-volume, rapid analysis, especially for routine or well-defined research tasks. Junior associates shine when analysis demands judgment, narrative construction, or complex legal reasoning. Many law firms are now blending both. AI handles initial research to save hours, while associates focus on interpretation, strategy, and drafting. The takeaway is clear. For rapid legal analysis, iResearch tools often outperform junior associates in speed and efficiency. The surprising truth is that human lawyers remain essential for insight, but leveraging AI as a first step enables faster, more cost-effective outcomes. Firms that integrate AI with junior associates can dramatically improve turnaround times, reduce errors, and maintain high-quality legal output, an approach that's quickly becoming the new standard in modern legal practice.